Good afternoon. Today is the 4th of March. Welcome to my trading vlog. I had done the analysis earlier and I could not record it, so I just recorded it after I got into three positions. I saw that there were areas where it was resisting, and then as soon as it came down to this area, I took a position. The reason I could not take over here is because one, I was not at the chart. Two, I was not willing to take a chance. Let me just put it that way. The same with this and the same with DAX. So that was this is DAX right now, this is US Tech, and this is Wall Street. It's just a couple of seconds ago I took the position. We must be in minus at this point. Yeah, just about minus. We'll see how the trade progresses. It's been 5 minutes. A new candle has opened, and the new candle has burst through on Wall Street. I'm happy to see it breaching this area, and DAX is going for it. So Wall Street is struggling here and US Tech is struggling here. I know it will bounce, so I'm going to just do a quick scalp in and out. US Tech, one last check. Is it going to break through or not? 24, 18 seconds. Keep my Wall Street closure also ready. So I'm just keeping my closures ready in case I have to close in a hurry. DAX is doing its thing, so I'll just leave it. So Wall Street, 33 seconds. I'm sorry, that was US Tech. This is Wall Street. Can you see the pullback? That's because of this area. There's a lot of resistance over here. So let's see. We have about 15 seconds for a new candle. Make your decision on the beginning of a new candle, never in between, unless of course it is inevitable. 3, 2, 1. New candle. The first few seconds are always iffy. The pullback was pretty significant, but it's still not a sell signal because it is on a bear, tight trading range of a bear. So it is fine. Same here, tight trading range of a bear. So therefore this sell signal is moot. And same. So holding. So we got about 6 points, 7 points on Wall Street. As you can see, my amount is 120 because I started with 60,000. So it's 120 for DAX, 120 for US Tech, and 60 for Wall Street. That's the discrepancies. Okay, here we go. We're waiting for it to breach this. Let us just see, has it cleared? No, it has not cleared this area. This is where it has to clear. Let me just give a visual over there. That one, that's good. Let's see here, it has to clear this one. Let's give a visual. There you go, that's good. So it has to clear that, and the DAX is doing its own thing. So there's quite a lot of pullback from this area, as you can see. So now, today, right now, is Friday. I don't want to get into the spillover between London and US Open, which is what is happening right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take profit. Where's my Wall Street? I'm going to take profit. Oh, Wall Street pulled back. Oh, great deal. I was about to take profit, but I don't want to take profit after waiting so long. Just going to wait for a bit longer. So there is this tendency to rock back and forth. So just wait for it to clear this and wait for it to. Well, we'll wait. I paused the recording. I had to go to the other room and came back and look at this climb. Okay, now this is what I meant by the volatility between the. This is a 57.70 point climb, and that's what I meant by the volatility between London Open, European Open, and what do you call that, American. Okay, so I am right now a loss of 46 points here, and 18, just about 9, 8, 10, 20, 10 or 12 points here. So it is going up, but once again I believe strongly that it is a bear channel, a bear trading range. So I'm just going to wait for it. Now this one I might have to get out of this trade for the simple reason that it is really a little too volatile for me. But this one and this one are fine. So just going to make a decision about this. I have about 3:33. I have about a minute and a half. So once again it proves that this area, this line that I drew, is quite a significant area. So it would have been better for me if I'd waited for it to breach this area and then taken a sell or taken a buy on this area. So lesson learned. So same thing here. Here I had no indications. It's just a last minute. We'll make a decision on that. It is 4,000. That's fine, no problem. We'll make a decision. Remember, loss is part of trading. Learning to deal with loss and not allowing it to affect your decision making process is very important. So here we are, 36 seconds, 20 seconds left. New candle. Okay, looks like Wall Street is meandering. US tech is also, wait and watch. Usually I don't add to losing positions, but I don't consider this as a losing position. I consider this to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leverage my position now by adding another position here. Of course, let me just add another position. I just lost a couple of points just because of that, but no problem. Just have to close all this and open again. So it's very important to know that you have to keep this thing, you have to keep active on it, otherwise it just goes. It is irritating, but what can we say? Okay, here we go. So my two positions are here. It is bounce back, no problem. Here is one position, no problem, and of course my DAX. So the reason I don't add to DAX is because DAX is a little more unpredictable for me. I'm not able to catch the rhythm of DAX, and so I don't want to expose. Wall Street, not that I'm an expert on Wall Street, but somehow I can catch the rhythm on Wall Street, and that's why I can. US tech also I'm not going to mess around because I don't know. So at this point right now I have two positions on Wall Street open, one on US tech and one on DAX. Let us see what we can get out of it. I realized the last video I kept saying this is a long video, but actually the video is only about 7 or 8 minutes long, and I've made videos that were like 15 minutes and 2-3 parts. So really it was not a long video. It's just painful to sit and watch the candles move inch by inch. That's all. Okay, we have it moving into the positive, and here. Alright, so we have a positive on DAX, we have a positive on US Tech, and Wall Street is just getting into the thing. So overall we have 10% of today's trade. So I will just wait for break even, probably. We'll see. One last minute, new candle will come, then we'll see what we'll do. This is DAX right now. As you can see, DAX is progressing beautifully. 40 seconds. I'll open US Tech now. US Tech. There is a lot of resistance over here, so if it reaches somewhere in this level, I think I'm shutting shop. Wall Street is the one to watch. Let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep Wall Street open. One. Wall Street. Oh, great. I can only open one at a time. Okay, no problem. DAX and US 30. Okay, Wall Street is broken through. New candle. Hurrah, hurrah, hurrah. As you can see, it, oh great, not allowing me to close it. As you can see, submit. As you can see, submit. Submit. And that brings me to DAX. Closing DAX as well. Submit. And I'm out of my trade. I made 7,000. Hey, it disappeared. I made not 7,000. What am I saying? 7,000. So the overall profit today was 31% of 50,000. That's the starting. Made 66 points on DAX. Made 26 points on US 30, and with the two positions made 36 points on Wall Street. And since today is Friday, I will not be messing around with the market. I'm done. I'm going to show you now that the market would have gone more, not gone more, but we made a decision, we stick with it. Okay, so the market bounced back. The market bounced back. And the market bounced back. So when we took profit, that was the perfect time to get out of the market. Check this out. Market bounced back and the market bounced back. So I tried not to leave any amount on the table. I hope this helped you. So remember, it's not what you trade, but how you trade. God bless you.